I hope you all are doing great today. I wanted to share a quick Dollar Tree haul that I had yesterday. So I'll just jump into it. I got a few tapes, double-sided tapes. These are like two sizes. One is 0.2 inch and one is 0.3 inch. So I got those 7 of them. I picked up this hearts, and I did use one of that heart. So like these are like different 9 types of wooden heart embellishments, and these are super cute. So I picked up those. I also picked up this embossing stylus. I do have a score pen, but then I wanted a stylish, so I picked up this. I also picked up finger protectors, which are really useful when you are using a glue gun, and it comes in a set of 3. So I picked up those. Some foam squares and foam circles, dots, pop-up dots. I picked up a spare scissors. I also picked up this butterfly. These are lace butterflies, and you get 4 in one pack. So I picked up one of these. I picked up stickers for wedding theme. It's Mr. and Mrs. Happily Married, Just Married. It's kind of super cool. And these are pop-up stickers, so they're popped up. And lastly, I picked up some tissue paper. So I picked up this white tissue paper that has 20 sheets in it. These are easy to wrap gifts and boxes. And I picked up this golden color, so I picked up 2 of these. So this is it. This is my quick Dollar Tree haul. Hope you enjoyed it, and do subscribe to my channel to watch more inspirational videos, and I'll be back with another video. Bye for now.